another edition of Tuesday's Take. Today I stand at 451 and 471 12th and a half Street Northeast. What I'm here today for is to show you progress. When I first listed these properties, construction had hardly got underway. Now, as you'll see today, we have the foundation and walls up, and in just a few weeks you're going to see the roof be put on. The benefit of all of this is we've made it quite a ways. However, the true bonus is that you still have time to do some of your own interior work in regards to the flair that you want it to be. So now is definitely the time to give us a call so you can check this out and still make it your own. Last but not least, one of the biggest highlights of this is the Highline Bridge behind me. What a peaceful view, and it just screams, hey, buy me because of the view, the location, and the beautiful build. Well, this is definitely an exciting time to build your own home, and another perk is that as a part of a homeowners association, you will get your grass taken care of for you, and snow removal will also be done. So not only will you have those eases and conveniences of home ownership, you'll get this brand new build in a great location. And trust me, you're going to want to call me for more information, because this little bit right now I'm talking about doesn't nearly cover all the benefits of this home. Well, thanks for hanging out with me today, and as always, grass is always greenest at RE/MAX Lawn Realty.